Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preserving what matters. Backup with Time Machine or copy key folders to an external drive and verify the backup. Once done, sign out of Apple ID, iMessage, and disable Find My Mac so activation lock won't block you. Next, make a bootable Mac OS installer on a USB drive, or at minimum confirm that Internet Recovery works for your model. These steps prevent data loss and ensure you can reinstall macOS cleanly without interruptions. Restart into recovery. Hold Option Command-R for the latest compatible macOS via Internet, or hold Option and pick your USB installer. Once recovery loads, open Disk Utility and select your internal drive. Erase it using apps for SSDs or macOS Extended for older HDDs, then reformat and confirm. After erasing, close Disk Utility and choose Reinstall macOS, selecting the freshly formatted drive. The installer will download and run. Stay connected to. After installation, the initial setup assistant appears. Choose to restore from Time Machine if you want your files back, or set up as new to eliminate legacy issues. Make sure to sign into your Apple ID and enable desired services, then run software update to apply firmware and security patches. If the Mac won't boot, shows kernel panics, or hardware features act up, reset NVRAM and SMC next. This often clears low-level settings. If problems continue, boot to recovery and run first aid or contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.